Hello everyone, my name is Zomratul Mariam. You can call me Mariam. I am a college student of Business Digital from Pakuan University. So here I would like to tell you about one of my favorite lessons I learned in the college, and it's programming fundamental. So programming is the process of creating programs on a computer. The program created can be in the form of software, Android application, website, and anything like that. And there are several stages of creating a program. First, we have to write a code for the program. Here, we have to know about the data types, variable, and more that leads to the code. And after that, we have to test it. If the program cannot run, it means your code doesn't fit or there is a mistake in it, because we have to write it clearly and in detail. And if you make a mistake in the code, you have to revise it. You have to fix the mistake. And you have to evaluate it. Is that a program you want? Or is that a program you like? If you like it, you can just test it again until the program is finished and according to what is desired. So in the introductions, we have a C++, algorithms, variable, and data types. First is algorithms. Algorithms are sequences of actions that are clearly stated and not ambiguous to solve a problem within a certain time. Every action must be earned and have a certain effect. It can be written in many ways, from natural languages, symbols they use daily, graphic symbols, and flowcharts to language programming languages such as C or C++. Next is C++. Talking about C++ usually cannot be separated from C, its predecessor language. C's creators were Brian W. Kunigan and Dennis M. Ritchie around 1972. And about a decade later, C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup of Bell Laboratories, AT&T, in 1983. C++ is fairly compatible with the language's C's predecessor. At first, C++ was called a better C. The name C++ itself is given by Rick Machinin in 1983. They refer from the increment operator in C. The very significant feature of C++ is that this language supports object-oriented programming, or OOP. The three is variable. A variable is an identifier that is used to represent certain value in the program process. In the contrast to constants whose value is always. However, the value of a variable can be changed as needed. The name of a variable can be determined by the programming with the following rules. Number 1, consists a combination of letters and numbers with the first character having to be a letter. The C++ language is case sensitive, meaning that uppercase and lowercase are considered different. That's why I told you if the code has written clearly and in detail. Number 2, cannot contain spaces. Number 3, may not contain special symbols except underscore. And the last one, the length is free, but only the first 32 characters are used. And the last introduction is data types. Programming has 6 types of data. First is character. The size is 1 byte, and then integer 2 bytes, long 4 bytes, float 4 bytes, and double 8 bytes, and the last one is long double 10 bytes. Data types associated with integers are char, int, and long, whereas others relate to fractional numbers. And this is a simple example of programming. This is the first one that write about your name and your hobby. Second one is to identify number. Is the number positive or negative? Okay, this is all a bit explanation about my favorite lessons, Programming Fundamental. Thank you very much for your great attention. Thank you for watching. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. See you. Bye bye.